Hi, brother. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you. So, right now, where are you?
I am in a room. In the room.
Okay, this is your room.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
I,
Okay, and yeah, you're behind a TV. It's like on, and some kind of picture is,
uh,
who's
yeah.
watching?
I saw you. I have. Can I show you this TV? And not me. Company. This is provided company in the room. So you can easily. Here are two more, one bed here and one here. Your roommate is gone to India.
Oh, I
He has
see.
gone to India. So I am only rooming alone.
Mhm. So, brother, where are you calling from?
I am coming from you, Kazakhstan. You know,
Where?
Kazakhstan.
Registan.
Kazakhstan.
Oh, sorry, Kazakhstan. That's great. Okay. So, what's your name? I forget.
My name is Akhilesh Singh.
Akhilesh Singh. Okay. So, you are working over there in
Yeah,
Kazakhstan?
I'm working here.
Okay.
I am professional. My professional is a piping foreman. You know, I'm
Mm-hmm.
working in gas oil field.
Okay, that's great. So, why you are learning English language? What is the reason?
But this situation is everybody want to learn English, or everybody want to learn English. So I am
Yeah.
out of I am working out of India. So very important for me learn English.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So that's why you are learning a improvement. Then after that, in future time, you will apply to somewhere.
Yes. That's right.
Okay, that's great. So how's going your job?
Job is going very well. Today is a holiday. You know, here a festival. I don't know which type festival. This country is also Muslim country is a very good country. So people is very good here.
Mhm.
Behavior is a people behavior is very good. So I like this country.
Okay, that's great. So how's your journey like about English language? How's your journey?
I'm
How's your
stuck
feeling?
after lockdown. So
Okay.
you go 2 months ago.
Uh-huh.
2 months, yeah, 2 months, 3 months ago. Journey is very well. I proud of me. I am speaking to very well front of any person, any guys. Before I have some problem for hesitation, but right now is I think very good.
Okay, that's great. So what kind of you are, I mean, how do you practice yourself? Like any partner and about yourself, any reading books? What kind of you are improving
I
yourself?
don't have more time for learning is speaking is learning is English any speaking. I have 2 hours one day, 2 hours of time in the night at night, 9 o'clock and to 12 o'clock, 12 and 11 o'clock. So I have any prestige. Daytime I am busy in work.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I was trying with you, connect with you,
Mhm.
but that moment, that moment you were busy.
Yeah.
So that's why reason I didn't connect and
Yeah. Yeah.
like, I saw your SMS.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw your SMS and you were free. So I thought like just make a conversation. That's great thing.
Every day same time I'm online. This any channels, any programs, any social media. That time I'm free online.
Mhm.
WhatsApp, Facebook, any Twitter, any type media. At that time I'm 11 o'clock to night to 11 o'clock I'm free every day.
Okay. So brother, how long have you been working in Kazakhstan?
I have been living here for 10 months.
Like since 10 months. Okay, that's great. Mhm. So what about your like visa? Like how many year you will live over there? You will work
Here I visa 1 year. Once
one.
complete, yeah, then you renew. You want to renew, so then you renew, no problem. You will tell company, so company you have to work, so your visa is increase.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay, I hope so. Okay.
Yeah,
So right now you are alone over there?
yeah, I have two one I roommate, but he went to India due COVID-19. There I want this is people is COVID-19 problem, so he went to in India.
Yeah, tell me. Can you hear me right now?
People he went to India, he went to
Yeah.
India. So have he had
Mhm.
some problem. He had some problem for COVID-19 and coronavirus. So
Okay.
he got a coronavirus. People is treatment and they sent to India.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I know everywhere is like COVID-19 is going on, so
Yeah,
that's why we get lots of countries like sending Indian people just go back your home, and then after that, whenever complete a lockdown, then we can call, we can hire you. So I think this is a good thing, brother, because lots of people unemployment right now. It's very pandemic situation going on. Everyone just come home and living. I mean, just staying with family. So this is great thing. Then after lockdown, you can again go with your job and your country life.
same like this.
So, bro, like which part of you are living in India?
Do you know Uttar Pradesh in UP?
Yeah.
Nearby Gorakhpur, yeah, nearby Gorakhpur. For Gorakhpur,
Oh, neat.
30 kilometers from my house.
Okay.
District name is Kushinagar district. You from
Okay.
Mumbai and living in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Are you from Mumbai and
Yes. Yes.
living?
I'm living in. Yes, I'm
That's
living in last 20 years in here.
yeah.
But my born place is UP.
UP, which part of UP?
Yeah, like Uttar Pradesh. I mean, Basti in Basti.
I know Basti.
Okay, you know Basti. Even like whenever it started a lockdown, I was in UP. I stay 4 months over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then after that, I came my home in Mumbai. Okay.
You live with family, yeah?
Yes, I'm living whole my family in here. And my family background, if you talk like my father is doing business, and we are helping a father. I mean, we are three brothers. Okay, like elder and younger. I'm middle one, and I'm preparing my job like about in airline industry. Even
Yeah.
I want to also like go abroad, like any country, any Gulf country. I want to settle down.
Yeah.
So
Settle down.
that's why, yeah, about job purpose.
Things.
Yeah, about job purpose. So that's why I'm improving. I'm learning English language, and I want to make a good career in aviation sector.
Yeah, that's great things. For the,
Yeah. So, bro, did you done your dinner?
I had to complete dinner. So
Yes.
I
So
am
right
came
now, what time?
I am
Yeah,
came
tell
to
me.
market with some material purchase and I put in the table. I not put in the fridge. So I'll
Oh
put in
my God.
on the table on the table. I came to market in the here are little market, small market. No go to
I
anywhere. Here I have also COVID-19 problem. Didn't go to anywhere and take a little mask
okay.
actually. Here anywhere go you want to go anywhere you put on the mask. Medical
Yes,
mask.
absolutely.
Don't cloth mask any mask only for medical mask. Use any medical mask. Don't use other mask.
Yeah, I know, I know. It's very important. Like whenever you go to a job and outside, then we should. It's necessary to wear a mask.
Yeah.
It's very important. Yeah. So, bro, like, I mean, I'm talking about this is your room. So, a company provider, and
Yeah,
like you
company
just
provide. Not for me.
hire.
Company everything company provide only.
Okay, a company providing. Okay. That's great. So, if don't mind, can I ask a personal question?
Yeah, you can ask anything.
Okay. So I see. I'm asking like how much rupees you are getting. Like, what about your
No, completely
salary?
per month $1,000 for me. $1,000.
Okay.
And you convert to India 75 here 74 between dollar. 75 to 74,000 per month.
per month. That's great. You are earning a handsome salary.
But
Okay.
I'm a worker here, labor grade. Foreman is
Okay.
also labor grade. I'm not of CLFO. I'm working in the field worker. So
Okay. You are
I'm
in a
control
field
only
work.
people how can do it, work anything, so work, type and take, drawing any. And he also you can tell me leader, leader. People cannot control, so leader. Where is job? I connect with the engineer. So engineer tell me. I also tell them worker.
Okay. That's great. So you are handling a worker like you are just
Yes, yes, yes.
observe people
Yes.
how to they are working and who's attending, who's absent and present
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
Now absent
Okay.
attendance I have on a group in timekeepers.
Okay.
Only attendance or my group of people, so I have only 10%. So 10% I only control. Where is your work? I'm asking in the engineer, and then tell me our guys. Tell them our
Mhm.
guys.
Okay.
Any tools, any kind of tools. I want to crane, so call him crane. A big equipment. Yeah, there is a gas plant. There are big equipment. Any install. How can
Yes.
install?
Yes.
So I also check a drawing. Where is where is it coming to exactly point? There are many, technician leaders.
Uh, oh, I see. So I think your job is good. So how did you
Yeah.
get this job, brother?
Huh? Sorry.
Yeah, how did you get this job?
I have many experience in this line job. I have been to 7 country. You know,
7 country.
7 country.
Oh my God.
First time I went to Doha, Qatar. Two times Doha, Qatar. And
Mhm.
second time Iraq. Iraq,
Yeah, I know that.
Oman, Iraq, Oman, Georgia, also Dubai. Dubai short time, 3 months. Uh,
Okay.
South Africa, Seychelles,
South
uh,
Africa. That's great.
Georgia, and here.
So every country like only for job purpose
Yeah, yeah,
and
job. Yeah, job purpose.
same job
Yes.
like
For,
in Dubai also same job you were working
yeah,
over there
same,
like
same. Same job. 3 months shutdown. Prepare is Poland is shutdown.
Mhm.
Now
I
before
mean,
I help, helper, technician helper. So I'm
okay.
hard working nowadays going to very well.
Oh, I see. I mean, your company provider like just go
Yeah,
to in country.
yeah.
Okay.
I even attended a interview in Delhi. One agency, a dynamic agency. There I have also biodata and Naukri.com.
Okay.
Anything, all experience, all things in the Naukri.com program. I think Naukri.com website.
Yeah, I know.
People call me, you want to go to Kazakhstan? Okay, I am agree. So you attend to interview.
Mhm.
Here people on the guys is
Mhm.
there have a white man. I don't know what is name. He
Okay.
take to contribute. So I am qualified their interview. Then we'll process visa in 2 months, 1.5 months. Uh, Company ticket, all everything she provide visa ticket also. Not money spent. Not I am not give money. Did not give money agency. Free
Mhm.
requirement. So there
Wow,
I
that
contact 1,000 per month, and in 1 year complete, 45 days leave. 1 year completed,
yeah.
deliver 45 days leave in India. So I want to bring family here. So I have procedure for, but nowadays is have problem for COVID-19.
Yeah, you're right. That's great thing. So are you enjoying your job right now over there in Kazakhstan? Are you
Yeah,
enjoying?
job job is life.
Okay. Okay.
Job is
So
also
how
life.
many places you visited over there? Like we can say, what place is like about paradise, about like beautiful place. Can you share
Yeah,
with
here
me?
are very very beautiful. Here also a beauty. In here you easily get a club. You also know club. bar, dance, also golf, disco bar. But nowadays you have all closed for
Oh.
COVID-19.
So yeah, right now I think we have to stop because my dinner is ready. So my mom she's calling me.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And thank you very much for connect with me and all the best your future, all the best your journey, English journey. Okay. Just keep going, do practice, do hard work. Okay. Always believe yourself and connect with good people. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
like, if don't mind, can I?
You. So I am very happy to talk with you.
Yes, yes. Okay. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Bye.